What's the meaning of cockroach? Cockroach. Cockroach.
Cockroach. Cockroach. A cockroach is a type of insect that is commonly found in damp and dark environments, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. They have a tough exoskeleton and can be difficult to eliminate once they infest a space. Cockroaches are known for their ability to survive extreme conditions and can go without food or water for extended periods of time. They can also spread harmful bacteria and trigger allergies in some people. Overall, cockroaches are considered to be pests and are often targeted for extermination.